In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply two numbers by the base method. Base method, this is a method we learn in Vedic maths. Now, this is a specific technique and used for specific numbers. Now, what are the specific numbers? The numbers which are near the base. Now, we will study three cases. The first one, when both the numbers that we are multiplying are below the base. The second type we will learn is when both the numbers are above the base. And the third condition would be when one number is above the base and the other number is below the base. Now you will ask me, what is the base? The base in Vedic maths means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or so on. This is called the base in Vedic maths. Now we are taking up the condition where both the numbers are below the base. So 95 and 93, both these numbers are below the base. But below the base means minus. When it is below the base, we have minus. And how much below the base? 95 is 5 below the base. And 93, how much is it below the base? It is 7 below the base. Now we have got these two deficiencies, deficiency 1 and deficiency 2. The next step would be just to multiply these two deficiencies. That means 7 into 5 is 35. Now we have got the right hand side. The next, you minus 7 from 95 or you minus 5 from 93. We subtract 7 from 95. We will have, what will we have? We'll have 88. And if we subtract 5 from 93, in that case also, we will have 88. So this 88 would be our left hand side. And now we have to see one more thing we have to check before declaring that this is our answer, that the number of digits on the right hand side should be equal to the number of zeros in the base. Now the base in this case is 100 and the number of zeros in 100 are 2 and we have 2 digits on the right hand side. So our answer is 8835. Now let me take the case 2 where both the numbers are above the base. Both second condition that I told you. Now 104 and 106. What do you think is the base? The base is 100. And now 104 is more than the base. So when it is more than the base, we add. And how much more? 4 more. 106 is 6 more than the base. Now the same thing. If we have to multiply these both excess of the base, that is 6 into 4 is 24. And now either you add 6 to 104 or you add 4 to 106. You have to add in this case. So if we add 6 to 104 or add 4 to 106, we get 110. And we also have seen that the base has 2 zeros and the digits at the right side is 2 digits. So this is our answer. 11024 is our answer. Now we take the third example where one number is above the base and the other number is below the base. Now the base for these two numbers is 100. Yes, base is 100. Now, how much is 96 less than the base? So it will be minus, and how much less? 4 less. 107 is more than the base, but how much more? Plus, and how much more? 7 more. So 7 into 4 is 28, but it is minus 28 because plus minus is minus. 7 into 4 is minus 28. Now for getting the left hand side, either I add 7 to 96 or I minus 4 from 107. It will give the same answer and it will be 103. But this is yet not our answer. Why? Why? Because we have to make this a positive number, and for doing that, we will borrow 1 from here. When we borrow 1 from here, we will be left with 102 this side and 28 when subtracted from 100, it will be 75. 2. So this is going to be our answer. Now everyone needs to know these methods. These are the short tricks which will help you excel in your quantitative analysis.